What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today we're working on the Bronco again. So my parents just got a new exhaust for it. So I got the AWE 0FG catback exhaust. So I should be sounding a little louder, and I think it should get that little like deeper rumble to it. So yeah, I'll give you guys a sound test, give it a few revs on the stock exhaust, and then uninstall it and then install the new one and give you guys another sound test. So yeah, let's get to it. And we have to take this off right here, and then those bolts right there, and then we're gonna move up our way to the back and let's see if we can do it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and comment. And yeah, shout out to New Type for the exhaust. Of course I got my exhaust. I got the exhaust from New Type again. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. Make sure to check them out. If you need any car parts or anything, make sure to go to hit them up. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.